この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
What's up guys, welcome back to the Tofu Cafe channel. So it's been a few days and I just wanna update you guys how's the new build doing right now. Joshua been working here at my house pretty much every day and a lot of things has changed on the car already, so yeah, let me show you guys. So the carvers are out and looks like it's still in pretty good conditions, which is good. And headers are out. Yeah, Joshua is moving fast. We got a lot of stuff installed already. And Joshua also took out the rear end from the car already, but then as you can see on the left side is kind of bent a little, but on the right side it looks okay. All the four links are bent unfortunately, so we are just gonna use the stock one as of right now. I guess later on we can get it from T3 again. And the exhaust on this car is toast. This one is actually a Fujitsubo, and as you can see all the mounting brackets are bent already, so there's no point of saving it. We're still gonna keep it as a spare, I guess. Well, we'll try to see if we can save it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put my old HKS one on the new car. We'll see how that goes later on. Joshua took out most of the interior pieces already, but I still gotta find time to clean it because they look super dirty. I gotta head back to the shop. Yeah, see you in a bit. Bye. Later. Thank you. Thank you guys. Whoa, it's almost done. Well, not almost done, but looking like a car again.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Look at the engine.
Yeah. Oh, you swap it in already? Yo, that's fast. That's fast, dude.
Yeah, bro.
That's fucking fast. Well, hopefully the engine is good.
Hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, bro.
Today he's going to pretty much remove everything in the interior pieces, like the seats and the seat bracket, the floor mats, I mean the carpets. He's gonna swap everything over here. Well, the good news is the Fujitsubo exhaust, we are able to save it. Joshua actually bent the brackets back to shape. Yep, the shit. Oh, and Joshua actually installed the headlight as well. It's not working perfectly.
The lights are working.
Nice. We also gonna throw my old Koenig Watanabe style wheels onto the car as well. And also I'm gonna take out my mirrors and we'll swap it out to that one so I can rock my new mirrors that I got from Japan. These are actually the foldable Senki mirrors, the same mirrors that Takumi has on his AE86. So Joshua's gonna start up the car for the very first time. Damn! I still can't believe the engine actually survived from the crash, but let's go! Yeah, but Joshua did mention that the engine might need a rebuild after this.
Down the line.
Yeah, down the road. Yeah.
Right now we just want to get it up and running and see what survived and what didn't.
Yeah. But at least it's running.
At least it's running.
Yeah. And since the car came without the key locks on the doors and the hatch. So I'm gonna use the Solex locks on the new build. Alright, we're gonna put the wheels on the car. Fire!
Sick, huh? Looks like a fucking car now.
But it definitely needs an alignment for sure. Same as for the rear. It needs an alignment bad. Sheesh! Yeah, I'm gonna try to fix this bumper. Yeah, it's hard to find a Senki bumper nowadays. I'm not gonna junk this one. I'm gonna try to save it. So I took the carpet to the laundry place last night to give it a proper wash, and it smells so good right now, and it's super clean. You just swap out the mirrors of my car onto the new build. Yeah. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, text me. Yep. Chichi! You guys haven't seen Hachi for a long time, huh? Yes, it's gotten so fat. Hachi! Alright, today is the 4th day, which is supposedly the last day, right?
It is the last day.
Yeah.
Not supposedly, for sure it's the last day. I'm gonna send you a video when I'm driving this bitch.
Okay. Yeah, so Joshua said today the car is gonna be off the ground and running.
Running, driving, and braking.
Cool.
As I promised.
Cool.
That bro's coming out good. Right here, the engine part, I'm almost finished. I saw the manual fan,
Manual fan.
clutch fan.
Okay.
And I'm gonna end up using the same radiator for now. While you get the other one.
Yeah. We're just gonna put the old radiator back on the car for now, while we're waiting for the new one to get shipped. Hopefully it's not gonna leak, but it should be okay. Oh, and I actually got these new mirrors installed on the car already. So what's so special about these mirrors is you can actually fold them. Yep, and they are just so hard to find, and it's so hard to find one in a good condition. I think the ones on my car right now is okay. There's some minor scratches on the mirror, but I think it's still acceptable. What do you guys think?
Check it out, bro. It's fucking amazing.
Sheesh!
Go walk around. It's a little dirty right now, but that's not a big deal.
Yeah. Well, you got the full interior back on.
Try to make it work, you know?
Yeah. The panels are on already. Nice. Dude. Yeah, we still have to fix this part, huh? Oh, Solex locks are on. Oh! Oh! Now we officially have, well, not 2 A6, but 2.5 A6. I still can't believe it, bro. So we're still missing the headliner, unfortunately. So if you guys have one, hit me up, because we need it.
Dude, bro, it would have taken you 1 year to do it.
And you do it in 4 days.
Happy?
Happy, dude.
Fuck yeah.
Thanks for everything.
Look at me. I'm beat up, but
Thank you. Our second A6
back on the road.
is back. It's back. Yeah, unfortunately the radiator is leaking, so we need a new one. But as of right now, it's pretty good.
Cool, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
I'll see you soon.
See ya. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy the whole build process of our new 86. I still can't believe it, bro. That car has been sitting in my backyard for the past 5 years. It's that crazy, and I'm just so glad that we can use pretty much everything into the new shell. But I think we're gonna have more problems later on once we start driving it more, but I guess we can just deal with those problems later on. As of right now, the goal is to have it runs and drivable. Well, finger crossed, hopefully we're not gonna see any big issues going on this car. But yeah, I'm looking forward to see what this car will look like in the future. Yep, hopefully you guys enjoyed the whole build process so far. Joshua did a great job on this. He finished everything within 4 days. Yeah, within 4 days. It's that crazy. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys love this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and leave us a comment down below. As always, everything starts with a dream. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Laters. Oh, I totally forgot. We're gonna have our vacation in Japan in a few weeks. So I guess in the next vlog, you guys gonna see us in Japan. I'm looking forward to it. See you guys there.